West Bengal, India, saw an unbelievable riverbank collapse. See how the strong river quickly eats up enormous tracts of land.
Take a look at this terrifying moment. A powerful tornado rips through this parking lot in St. Louis, Missouri, USA. Cars shake violently and debris fills the air. June 2nd, 2025. Europe's largest and most active volcano, Mount Etna, suddenly erupts on the east coast of Sicily. Towering ash clouds fill the sky as panicked tourists scramble for safety. A dramatic display of nature's raw and unpredictable power. A strange phenomenon captured on camera in Cardinal Harana, India, as a section of land suddenly rises from beneath the water. This unexplained event left everyone stunned. I think this could be caused by trapped gases and water pressure beneath the soil, forcing the land to rise unexpectedly. A rare and shocking scene from nature. This mother centipede sacrifices herself, becoming the first meal for her newborn babies, a survival behavior known as metrophagy, an uncommon and startling natural landscape. In a survival tactic known as metrophagy, this mother centipede gives herself up so that her young can eat her first. Locals in Kamica, Russia, are trying everything in their power to save a herd of beluga whales that have washed up on the icy shores of Kamica. Look at the basket star, this amazing creature. Its long, twisted arms, which are ideal for living in the shadowy depths, flourish in the deep ocean. Watch this horrifying moment as a strong earthquake in March 2025 causes the ground in Myanmar to visibly shift. This was the first time a fault rupture of this kind was ever seen on camera. Extreme water pressure causes a recently constructed dam in Shirin Targal, Afghanistan to collapse. A spectacular failure that was caught on film. Following unrelenting rain, this community was torn apart by a huge landslide that swept away everything in its path and released torrents of mud and debris. The tree has no leaves and is extremely white. The reason for this is that caterpillars may be found everywhere. Take a look. Caterpillar nests abound, one after another. This tree has been eaten by them. Take in this breathtaking moment, Earth ascending over the moon, captured in April 2008 by a Japanese satellite, an uncommon and stunning space perspective of our globe. Oh my god, it's unbelievable that a single spider could weave that much web. Incredibly so. This sea cucumber defends itself by launching its own digestive tract and miraculously regrows them. This wasp provoked a full-scale counterattack after murdering a bee, and now it must deal with the hive's wrath. Hawaii's Claria volcano erupted with amazing force on June 20, 2025. A new record for this eruption event was achieved when lava fountains rose more than 1,200 feet in the air. The eruption, a magnificent demonstration of the power of nature, lasted for over 8 hours. A powerful tornado ripped through Lach, Texas, on June 5, 2025, uprooting the area and leaving destruction in its wake. This male antelope walks with grace and rhythm. During breeding season, a captivating natural dance is performed to impress the females. Pennsylvania was the site of this enormous avalanche, an amazing demonstration of the unstoppable power of nature. Take a look at this amazing time lapse of rolling shelf clouds over Barcelona Beach, Spain. An amazing demonstration of the unadulterated force of nature.
If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.